I love the color. I just love pink. That's my favorite color. I just love pink. What's good? What's up? What's popping, y'all? It's your girl Shorty with the Fro, and I'm back with another video, which is gonna be about my gym bag. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button to join the family, and make sure you also follow me on my socials. Let's get into it. This is gonna be a video about what I have inside my gym bag, what I always use. Let's get straight into the review. This is my gym bag. It's not really big, but you know, everything that has to fit inside fits inside. I do want to say that I bought all of these items with my own money. This video was not sponsored. I'm giving y'all my honest opinion. I bought this pad, strap, and band bundle from the B&D store, B_ND store. So the first thing is the barbell pad. It is made out of vegan leather, so suitable for vegans.
It's like, you have to think what it feels like. It's soft and comfortable, I guess.
This has saved me from a lot of bruises. This thing is like so comfortable, especially if you're doing hip thrusts with a lot of weight. This will be a lifesaver. The Velcro part is very sturdy as well as kind of hard to open, but once you put it on the barbell, this will stay in place. Alright, y'all, so the second thing I got were these ankle straps.
They are very, very cute. I love the color. I just love pink. That's my favorite color. I just love pink.
When you get them, the material is very sturdy as well as stiff. So the more you use them, you know, the more comfortable they'll become. The third and last item that I got in the bundle is this black resistant band. They have different colors and different strengths. This one is the black one, which means it's the extra strong one. It also says right here, XX heavy. It is very sturdy as well, good quality. I also have my gloves that I use in the gym a lot when I'm doing weights, just to, you know, protect my hands and not form any calluses. I washed them like 2 days ago. Vaseline in here because you don't want to be running around the gym with no dusty ass lips. I do be carrying this bag around the gym. Anything else I need to have on that day, I put it inside here. So, you know, everything is with me. I want to add that because I go to the gym like nearly every day, I train about 3 to 4 times a week. And I'm a clean freak, which means I always want to smell good. I always want to make sure that I'm using products that keep me smelling good, even if I'm sweating. I've been using this deodorant, which is the Maximum Protection from Sure. It's an antiperspirant, and it's antibacterial and has odor protection as well. I just need everything smelling fresh and good. This is for the ladies. I always carry pads with me, or I also have tampons in here just in case. You never know when your periods come in, so better safe than sorry. I want to add another thing. Because the gym is a public place and people just sweat, you never know what's going on. I don't even want to go further. You know what I'm talking about. So I either carry around, you know, not in this big thing. There are smaller ones as well, but I couldn't find them. Similar wipes, anti-bac, that I either, you know, wipe down the equipment with or wipe down the machines just to make sure it's clean. This is just any type of cream that I literally bought at the drugstore from Neutrogena. Listen, I'm going to tell y'all a secret. This Neutrogena hand lotion is the bomb.com if y'all need a quick fix. It moisturizes your skin, leaves it super soft. It just fixes your problems real quick. I always have them wherever I go. This is in German because I bought this in Germany, but you can definitely find it at Boots, Superdrug, you know. Just also leave it in the description box below, and it's not expensive at all. But yeah, guys, this is basically the end of the video. I hope y'all liked it. Leave your opinions or any questions you have in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my socials. And I hope to see y'all in my next video.